Hey guys, today I want to show you how to build your Sendy email list from your Facebook group with the aid of my new revolutionary software known as Group Leads. Let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to configure Group Leads with Sendy. So all you need to do is come over to the settings area and you see Sendy, and you're going to make it active and also set up the credential. And you don't forget to set up your Google Sheets URL. All you need to do is click on this link and you're going to get the official Group Leads spreadsheet, and you'll be able to make a copy by clicking on File and then you click on Make a Copy. So you can name it whatever you want and you'll be able to copy the official spreadsheet. So normally you won't be able to make use of the official spreadsheet because you don't have the permission, but you'll be able to use the copy that you cloned for yourself. You're going to copy it like this, and then you can go over to Group Leads. Then you need to just paste in the new spreadsheet over here and then you save. Great. Once that is done, the next thing we need to do is we need to go over to the credentials, and normally you have the app path, and that is where your Sendy installation is located, and you need to just put it right over here. And also you need the API key. So how do we get our API key? You have to go over to Sendy and you click on the particular brand where you want your group members to join its email list, and then you go over to view all email lists, and then you're going to select the particular email list you want people to join. So I'm going to right click on it, and then I'm going to go over to the brand and I'm going to go over to settings, and then you'll be able to see your API key over here, and I'm going to come over here and paste it right here. So we also need the list ID, so I'm going to go back to the main section of the email list on the account, and I'm going to look for the email list I want to add the people to. So just beside it like this, you see the list ID. So all you have to do is just copy it like that, and then I'm going to open up Group Leads and I go over to credentials, and then I'm going to put up the list ID. Okay, and then I can go back to my notepad and then I can copy the API key, and then I go over here and I'm going to paste it like that. And then normally you have to set up your app path as I have said earlier, and then you're going to verify and update. If the credentials are correct, Group Leads is going to inform you. If it's not correct, Group Leads is also going to let you know. For example, let me just add random text behind the API key, and I'm going to click on verify. You see invalid credentials, and I'm going to remove what I just added, and I'm going to verify and update. As you can see, the credentials are verified and updated. Now we can go back to where we came from, and I'm going to click on back, and then now you need to make sure that Sendy is active, and I'm going to update Sendy. And then the next thing we need to do is you make sure you set up your 3 questions you want to ask new members when they join your group. The first one, the second one, and most importantly the last one is supposed to be an email list. Now let me go over there to show you how that's going to be done. To set up your questions, you go over to more and you go over to edit group settings, and then you scroll down, you see a section over here where membership requests, ask questions. So you can have your questions over here. As you can see, drop your email below and I will personally send you a free gift. So when I approve new members, I've set up an automation, a welcome message inside the email list that's going to be triggered immediately. They are approved and the free gift is going to be sent to everyone immediately. So I'm going to save it, click on OK, and then I'm going to go over to the email list so that we see what's currently there. The last one was added February 19th, and I'm going to go over to the spreadsheet also, and I want to view the data that is currently there, and it's going to be empty, as you can see. And then lastly, I will go back to the Facebook group and I'm going to click on the requests. As you can see right here, I have a couple of people trying to join the group and they drop their email addresses and every other information I need. And then I'm going to make sure I have the red custom approve all button over here. I'm going to probably log out and log in right again. Yeah, I'm back. I didn't log out. I just refreshed the page and probably the button didn't show up because of my internet connection. So now the internet is strong again and I can click on custom approve all button and I'm going to upload everything to my email list and group leads has completed everything. So if I want to view the data, I can check the spreadsheet. As you can see, everything is added: the user ID, the first name, the last name, the date the user joined, the questions and answers, and most importantly their email addresses. And also let me go over to Sendy and I'm going to refresh. You'll be able to see the newly added emails few seconds ago, as you can see over here. So in this video, I've been able to show you how to use my software group leads to convert your new Facebook group members into leads and increase your profits from your Facebook group. Thank you so much. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you need a copy of group leads in order to get started with building your email list from your Facebook group, don't hesitate to go over to groupleads.net and you'll be able to get started for free today if you take action. Thank you so much for watching and I'm going to see you in the next video.